Hi, my name is Katie and I'm a Dyson expert, and today I'm going to answer the question, are all of the tools compatible with all Dyson vacuums? So the answer to that is no, not all tools and attachments are compatible with all Dyson vacuums. So for example, the tools from the V6 are not compatible with the V7, V8, V10 or V11 because they have a different size fitting. So that would be this fitting here. So this is the one from the V7, V8, V10 and V11. Similarly with the full-size machines, they have a different size fitting as well, so they're not compatible with any of our cord-free machines. However, all of the attachments from the V7, V8, V10 and V11 are like this, and they are all compatible with each other. If you have any other questions, please visit dyson.ie and you can live chat with a Dyson expert, or if you have any other demo requests, you can leave a comment below this video and use the hashtag AskADysonExpert.